Hey everyone, where we'll be diving into the top 6 products, considering their performance, budget, value, and much more. Green USB 3.0. This basic KVM switch allows 2 computers to share up to 4 USB 3.0 peripheral device. Simply press the button at the tops of the device to swap your keyboards, USB flash drives, or other peripherals between 2 computers. The LED indicator light show which computer is actively using the connected items. The inclusion of 2 HDMI cables and 2 USB cables ensures hassle-free setup, allowing you to dive into your work or entertainment without delay. Featuring a sleek and compact design, this KVM switch seamlessly integrates into any workspace, saving valuable desk space. The included controller offers effortless switching between connected devices, making multitasking a breeze. JideTech experience efficient multi-device control with the JideTech HDMI USB KVM switch 8-port. This versatile switch empowers you to seamlessly manage up to 8 computers from a single console, including a monitor, keyboard, mouse, and peripherals. With support for up to 4K resolution at 30 Hz, enjoy crisp and clear visuals for an immersive computing experience. Featuring a built-in USB 2.0 hub, this KVM switch allows you to connect additional USB devices, such as printers, scanners, and external drives, enhancing your productivity and connectivity. The support designed for convenience and ease of use, the JideTech HDMI USB KVM Switch 8-port offers a compact and user-friendly solution for both professional and home environments. BDFFLY, this HDMI KVM switch boasts 3 USB 3.0 ports for the convenient sharing of USB devices, such as keyboards, mice, scanners, printers, and USB drives. It intuitively recognizes and harmonizes with various display devices. Supporting an array of input devices like PCs, laptops, and PS4, it harmonizes effortlessly with multiple computer systems, including Windows, Linux, and Mac. Empowering seamless control of 2 PCs, this KVM switch with 2-port HDMI allows for the elegant sharing of a single monitor and a set of USB 3.0 keyboard and mouse. Effortlessly toggle between computers for a meticulously organized workspace, offering 2 switching methods, wired remote and button control. Note: Benfei. This handy device allows 2 computers to share up to 4 USB peripherals, keyboards, printers, and scanners. Compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux systems, it offers universal support for seamless integration into your setup. The Benfei US.0 switch offers a simple and efficient solution for managing multiple devices without the hassle of constant plugging and unplugging. With just the push of a button, you can switch between connected computers, enhancing productivity and convenience. Whether you're a professional needing to toggle between workstations or a home user seeking to simplify your setup, 2.0 switch provides reliable performance and ease of use. Its compact designs ensure it won't clutter your desk, while its durable construction guarantees long-lasting functionality. Experience enhanced efficiency and organization in your workspace with the ABLUI of various USB devices between 2 PCs. It stands as the quintessential choice for a keyboard and mouse switch. This USB 3.0 switch box ensures swift data transmission of up to 5 Gbps, while also maintaining backwards compatibility with its USB 2.0 and USB 1.1 standards. Effortlessly transition between different systems and computers with the press of a single button. The LED light indicator readily indicates the active PC. This USB switch exhibits broad compatibility with Windows 10, 8, 8.17, Vista XP, Mac OS, Linux, and Chrome OS, making it an ideal solution for sharing numerous USB devices in various settings such as home, office, multimedia teaching environments, conference rooms, schools, meeting rooms, and training facilities. Full 2.1 audio support. Let you connect headphone and A microphones for listening to music and joining online meetings. Hide the switch box anywhere and use its push-button remotes to swap peripherals between the two connected computers. Whether you're a gamer looking to switch between Xbox, PS4, or PS5 consoles, or a professional needing to toggle between workstations, this KVM switch offers versatile compatibility across Windows, Mac, and Linux operating systems. Experience plug-and-play convenience and enhanced productivity with the I/O Gear 2-port Full HD KVM switch. Its compact and sleek design ensures it seamlessly integrates into any workspace, while its durable construction guarantees long-lasting performance. Say goodbye to cluttered desks and tangled cables, and hello to streamlined multi-computer control. Upgrade your setup today with the I/O Gear KVM switch. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icons to get notified of our new videos.